Is your Acura MDX or RDX key fob not working or difficult to open? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video shows you how to easily replace it yourself. First, confirm the symptoms: remote not responding, weak signal, or difficulty opening the case. You'll need a CR2032 battery, available at most auto parts stores for $5 to $10, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Using the correct battery type is crucial to avoid damaging the fob's electronics. Locate the small slot on the fob's edge near the key ring. Gently insert the screwdriver or pry tool into the slot and carefully twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be cautious to avoid scratching the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the orientation positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring it's securely seated. Finally, snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to verify it's working. If the remote still doesn't work, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or visit an Acura dealer.